So it's Talia, and so today I'm going to be making brownies. So there's two choices. I can make just like cake like brownies and fudge like brownies. But today I'm gonna be making the fudge because I just think it's better. It tastes better. So you will need so these are the instructions. So for fudgy like brownies, you need 2 large eggs, um 1/4 of a cup of water, and 1/2 of a cup of vegetable oil. So I have it right here, and then I'm just gonna get the other water from the sink, or you can get it from your fridge, whatever you want. But okay, so, and then you need this for the pan, and you need eggs. So, first we are going to do 2 large eggs. Okay, I've got 3 in case one of them breaks. So I have 1 large egg. I am going to crack it into this bowl that I have. Okay, I cracked 1 egg. Now I'm gonna take the second extra large egg, crack it. Okay, let me go throw this away. But before you throw it away, you always gotta make sure that all of the like slimy stuff is out to make sure that it does not spill all over the floor. Okay. So I just washed my hands and threw away the thing. By the way, you can always pause the video. So I cracked the eggs. Now I'm going to pour it into here. Okay, now that I did that, I am going to grab my 1/4 of a cup of water. So I'm going to go fill it up with water. Okay. Now since I did that, I'm going to get my 1.5 cup of oil, fill it up with oil. You gotta be careful to make sure that you don't put too much or too little. Okay, I have 1.5 cups of oil. Pour it in. Okay. Now that I did that, I am going to pour the brownie mix in. Cut a big hole so that you can get all of it out. Probably about this side. And always remember to cut it because it could explode on you. So pour it in to where it will not splash when you do that. Do not eat the brownie mix, okay? Okay. Now, after that, we're going to stir with whatever you want. You can just get a spoon or whatever, but I'm just going to use this because it's easier to get off the bowl. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Let's mix it. Okay, it's almost done being mixed. But you gotta make sure that you mix it all the way to where there's no more brown powder left in the bowl, because you might get sick if you eat the brown powder by itself, or it's just not gonna be good. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Oh, more brown powder. Just a little. Yeah. Okay, now that we did that, we're going to grab the pan, and then we are going to put this bowl over here. We're gonna take our spray, shake it a little bit, and then spray it on your pan. Okay, now on the bottom. Okay. It's very oily. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna grab this bowl, and I'm gonna take this spoon. My hair is gonna get in there. You don't want my hair to get, seriously, it's on my fingers. Okay, I'm going to pour, thanks mommy, this into the pan, so that this is like the brownie mix. Okay, so we're gonna pour this into the pan. Okay, this might take a little bit because and then let's peel the sides to, okay, so you gotta make sure that it's all out so that you can have as much brownie as you need. So now spread it here. Okay. I did that. Now I'm going to spread it around so that it gets around the entire pan, and so it will actually bake like a brownie. By the way, you can do whatever shape you want. You don't have to follow my shape. Oh, I'm just going to draw a heart in the middle because it looks cool. Probably not going to do that when it bakes. So, really, the handle had chocolate on it. Okay, okay, so after that, so you had before this or after this, whatever you want to do, you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And so I already did that. And now I am going to put this in the oven. See you later. Hi, so I'm back now. It's been 21 minutes, and so I'm going to see if my brownie is ready. So it is ready, and what you're looking for to make sure it is or isn't ready is to see if there's any, you take a toothpick and you stick it in there all the way to the bottom, and then you take it out and see if there are any, if it's like soaked in like chocolate brownie mix or like crumbs or something. If there's nothing on there, then you're good, it's ready. So I'm going to try the side to make sure that the side is ready too. Yep, it's ready. Okay. So, well, you know that heart outline I made? Well, actually, I see a very slight outline of it in here. Oh, hey, look, a mini brownie. Okay. So yeah, this is what it turned out like, and I hope that you have a lot of fun. Oh, by the way, you can always put stuff on it no matter what. Just do whatever your parents allow you to do. Bye!